Hey, all right. My name is Jacob Balmer. I'm the owner of Byrd Roofing. I'm out here in Wake Forest helping the Byrd family with a claim through USAA. There were several things that were issued for repair on this roof, and so I'm going to be doing one of the many things listed. I'm going to start with this box vent right here. The reason that I'm recording a video is just with this age of the shingle, what it looks like currently. We know the brand of the shingle as well. We have a suspicion that it might not be repairable. So I'm gonna go through the process of repairing and actually swapping out this 750 vent with a new one. I'm gonna go the whole process, leave the video running, and then afterwards kind of give my thoughts on the repairability of the shingle, and I'll get started. Thank you. Of course, roofers always like to use 14 nails to hold these in place. It's pretty common to see this.
Is that metrics right there?
Not much. Yeah, there is some. There's some. Make sure to talk about that. Use synthetic underlayment. That's good for them.
Yeah, I think they were platinum.
That's one shingle. Yeah, that's one shingle. What'd you say?
I think they were platinum for Byrd.
Okay.